Hello, Porsche Taycan, one of the high performance and luxury EV in the market. I'm going to talk about the top 5 tips and tricks about this car. First is to open the charging cover or charging door, whatever you call it is. Now the car is locked. You don't have to press the unlock button. Just go near the car. It will unlock itself. Okay, now there's 2 ports. This side is the DC fast charge. Another one is normal AC charge. To open the cover, there's a sensor down here. Just like it. Okay. Let's get in. Tip number 2, the volume. You can turn on or off over here.
And if we have it,
okay, or here. There's another one. Use your 2 finger, slide at the screen over here. Up, down, up, down. Tips number 3, you can adjust the passenger seat by your own switch over here. This one. Let's go to home, vehicle, comfort, adjust passenger seat. Right? Now I adjust. See. Okay, this is how we adjust it. The switch is over here to adjust. Once it's done, finish. Then now, my own seat is moving. Tips number 4, the Porsche recuperation. Recuperation means that when your throttle is off, the car is cruising. You will feel a little bit resistant because it's regenerating the electric. It means that it charges your electric back to your batteries. So you can turn it on or off. The switch is over here. You can turn on or off. This is on, this is off. The trick is you can press and hold it. Now it's auto. What's the difference? The difference is it can on or off automatically. It depends on the traffic at the front. So when there's a traffic at the front, when you release the throttle, it will on. But when there's nothing at the front and you release the throttle, then it won't on. It will just let you to slowly cruising just like any other normal car. And the last one, the brake hold. Just like Mercedes, it doesn't come with the physical button to turn on and off, which is it's better actually. So how to get it on? Okay, let's shift to D. Release the brakes. Let's just move a little bit. Okay, now the car is stopped. Release the brake again. And the car is moving. To engage the brake hold, just press it slightly harder. Okay, now it's hold. So I don't have to press anything. Okay, so this is how we engage the brake hold. Press the throttle, yeah, it moves again. Okay, press harder. On. That's my top 5 tips and tricks about the Porsche Taycan. It should be more than that, but yeah, it's not a new model, but it's very new to me. I need some time to explore more about it, and maybe, hopefully, I got a chance to make another video about the detailed review about this car, hopefully. Alright, thanks.